Uniswap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to trade Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens directly with each other without the need for intermediaries like brokers or traditional exchanges. Uniswap uses an automated market maker (AMM) model, which relies on liquidity pools to facilitate trades. To make money online with Uniswap in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Understand cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Begin by learning about the basics of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how decentralized exchanges work. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions when interacting with Uniswap. 2. Set up a crypto wallet. Create a secure crypto wallet to store your digital assets. Popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Make sure to keep your private keys safe and secure. 3. Purchase cryptocurrencies. Buy Ethereum, ETH, or other supported tokens on a reputable centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Then transfer your ETH to your crypto wallet. 4. Connect your wallet to Uniswap. Visit the Uniswap website /uniswap.org/ or use the Uniswap app available on iOS and Android. Connect your wallet to the platform by following the on-screen instructions. 5. Provide liquidity. To earn fees from trades, you can become a liquidity provider by contributing to a liquidity pool. Choose a token pair you want to provide liquidity for, e.g., ETH and DAI. You'll receive LP tokens representing your share of the pool. The more LP tokens you have, the higher your share of fees. 6. Earn fees through liquidity providing. As users trade on the liquidity pool, you'll earn a portion of the transaction fees. The more popular the pool, the higher your earnings. 7. Stake UNI tokens. Uniswap has its native token called UNI. Holding UNI tokens allows you to vote on protocol upgrades and earn rewards through staking. Staking involves locking your UNI tokens for a specified period, and in return, you receive rewards in the form of more UNI tokens or other cryptocurrencies. 8. Yield farming. Yield farming is a strategy that involves lending or staking your cryptocurrencies to earn high yields. Some DeFi platforms offer incentives in the form of tokens or other rewards for users who lock their assets in specific smart contracts. You can use Uniswap to participate in yield farming opportunities, which may help you earn more cryptocurrencies. 9. Trade and arbitrage. As a Uniswap user, you can take advantage of price differences between different exchanges or token pairs to make profits through arbitrage trading. This strategy involves buying an asset on one exchange or pool and selling it on another at a higher price. 10. Stay informed and adapt. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and new opportunities may arise. Stay updated with the latest Uniswap news, DeFi trends, and market developments to adapt your strategies and maximize your potential earnings. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies and using DeFi platforms involves risks, including potential loss of funds. Always conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making any investment decision.